Okay, on this worksheet, I'm going to show you how you could possibly have two different ways that you found your answer. So 15 divided by 5. So let's use our objects. So I'm starting with 15. Now, divided by 5, the first way that you might like to think about it is putting it into 5 groups. So pretending like you're dealing out 15 cards to 5 players. So 1. So here's, as in our 5 different players, so 2 for that person, 2, everyone's at 2, and then I just keep splitting them up until I've used my whole pile. So I have 5 groups and I have 3 in each group. So on my sheet, then I would circle 3 in each group, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Or you might have liked to think of it as 15 divided by 5, just putting them into groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time you have 15 divided by 5 equals 3, and you have 3 groups of 5. So yours might be circled like this into groups of 5. You can see the difference. Here we have 5 groups of 3. Here we have 3 groups of 5. Both are correct, so however you like to do it. And like I said, when there's no on a previous video, when there's no word question, then it doesn't matter which way you did it. If there's a word question to go along with it, like if it said there's 15 seahorses and they're divided equally into 5 groups, how many are in each group? Then this would be what the answer would show. If this said there's 15 seahorses and they're together in groups of 5, how many groups are there? Then this is what the picture would show. But because there is no word sentence to go along with it, you just get to decide whether you like to put it into equal groups or the number in each group. It doesn't matter on this sheet. So let's look at the next one. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So I had my 15, I'm gonna add 5 more in here. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So again, maybe you like to think of it as dealing out cards. So there I've got 5 groups and I'm just adding to each group until I run out. So then I'm figuring out how many are in each group, 4. So when I come over here, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And just like over here, I have 5 groups of 4. When I'm over here, I just circle that there's 4 bunnies in each group. Okay, or I could think of it as 20 divided by 5. I could just grab 5 at a time and put them into groups of 5. And how many groups do I have? 4 groups. So it would look like this. 4 groups of 5, 10, 15, 20. Whereas here I'd have groups of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, so now I need 16, so I have 20. Let's get rid of those. So 16 divided by 4, I can think of it as 4 groups. And then just add until they run out. With this, I'm figuring out how many would be in each group. So there I have 4 groups with 4 in each group. 16 divided by 4 is 4, 4 in each group. or I could think of it as groups of 4, which in this case would give me the exact same picture. And that is because we have 2 4s here, right? So groups of 4. I have 4 groups of 4 again here. Okay. The next question starts with 10. 10 divided by 2. So we might think of splitting this into 2 groups. How many in each group? 2 groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 birds. Or 10 divided by 2. You could make groups of 2. How many groups? 5 groups of 2 birds. Okay, last one. 20 divided by 4. So, dealing them out. Until I run out. So 20 divided into 4 groups equals 5 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 is 20 is how I would check. Or 20 divided by 4, I could just put 4 into each group. Okay, how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have 4 in each group and I have 5 groups. So like the other question, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So if we were to compare, here I have 4 groups of 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Here I have 5 groups of 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So you could have either for those answers. Awesome.